Hello YouTube makeup video people. My name is Ellazay and today we're going to be doing a slime collection. So let's get started. Just move this junk out of the way. And we'll put you on. Yeah. So first slime is this slime.
Nope. Fresno.
It's not very stretchy, but it's really satisfying.
I've got an audition to become Channel 23's new evening anchor universe. I got the call from the general manager and he wants me to come in immediately. Isn't that great?
Derek, that's amazing.
And it can do
It's
this.
amazing. Fresno's like a top 50 market, isn't it?
Actually, it's 55th, but we're on our way, babe. Now look about Paris.
It's okay.
So this is slime. I don't have a name for it. I think I'm gonna call it. It's pretty much silver with
Us.
glitters, and I think we're gonna call this one
You're so proud of us.
Star.
I'd love to sit in my dress.
Call this
Come
one
on, you don't
Star.
believe in that stuff. You ain't playing at the altar. Now have some news anchor in the tux, alright? Love ya.
Next is this slime, which is a clear slime, which has green food coloring in it. So I didn't mean to get it in it. It just kind of, got there. So this one's much better. It's much tricky. We can do this. Go watch Ellazay Young on YouTube as well, by the way. So this one.
I think I just got hit by a meteorite. Oh, Susan. Every bride feels that way when her wedding
So, as you can tell, it's very, it's kind of sticky. Oh, that's literally a slime. It's so sticky. Okay, well, I think we're done with that one. So this one is actually cool. I mean, this one an alien. There's actually a second version of this, but it's way less sticky. And this is my containers, by the way. I'll show you where I store my slimes just after this video. Next is pretty much the second
No, Susan, you're like really
version
You're
of it.
green.
I'm gonna show you. Sorry about the background noise. Watching a movie. This one's much prettier. It's way sparkly. Let's have a look. Close. Step one. What? This is the direction. Next time. Oh, my lid thing broke. Okay, yeah. Next one is this rosy gold one. Sorry about that. I was just putting my slimes back. So this one's rosy gold. Rose gold, and it's got like. It's like this. It's pink with gold. better one. Very, very nice. Next one is plain pink, but it's actually all of my slimes I just showed you are all Elmer's glue. This one's glitter glue. It's pretty. This one's a little bit more stiff because it is glitter glue, so it does have a little bit of a more texture, but it's very pretty. Doesn't really do that thing too well, but so that's that time. I'll give you a close up. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna do the next slime. Next slime is just white glue. It's like glue where it's just glue. This is glossy slime. I didn't put anything in it. I just turned it into glossy slime, so I just call it glossy slime. Sounds really, really nice.
Oi. You're calling me. What about?
Hey guys, my name is Ellazay Young, and today I'm going to be doing another video.
Hello?
This is my friend, and you're waiting in a hotel.
What do I say about that?
So this is my room.
This is very, very
I'm on my
It's like a haunted rainy place.
nice. So that is that slime. This video is now 7 minutes long. Very nice. Woo! Oh, sorry about that, but repeat. So next slime. Must have on with slime. I have two of the same slimes I can show you. This is one I just did. This is that one. This one's a little bit bigger and better. So. This is it. Sorry about singing these. This one's way better. By the way, hello Ellazay Young. Go follow Ellazay Young on. Sorry. Next, which is the second.
Totally overrated. As a matter of fact, I don't even. You're a lifesaver. Wow, look at you. First day in prison, you want to sit down and tell this guy in the yard. Well, I'd like to see you try.
Very nice slime. It's not the stretchiest, but it's very good pops. So the last one is a mermaid. It is Patty. Wait.
Gentlemen, I'm afraid we are not picking up a good
This
first.
last slime is store-bought.
First new monster in years, we're gonna get like a
Just wait, Taya.
or mommy just
Unicorn Patty. Just wait.
Why do we ask for
What? Soon.
No, we mean like your monster name. Like, what do people
Sorry
scream
about
when
that.
they see you?
It's not stretch our favorite. Probably Pug's better than all my homemade.
Really?
That is a favorite game. This is the stretch
I'm
enough.
scared myself. That is scary.
Oops. Not very good. I mean, squeeze it isn't very good. the hair mats would be so satisfying. So that is my sandwich. So we're just gonna quickly do I store this life. That's where all the slime goes.